Hi Hans, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Lucy, welcome, and today I have for you 5 best beauty tips that you've ever heard. And I'm not talking about those lame tips like take your makeup before going to bed and use sunscreen, because I know it, I know you know it, so if we both know it, let's not talk about this. I have something more special, so grab a Red Bull and take notes. I think my first beauty tip should be to do your nails, but obviously I couldn't be bothered today, so let's move on. So my first beauty tip is to always clean your face with cold water. What it will do, it will tighten your skin and it would reduce appearance of the pores, and in the long run it will basically make your skin look younger. And you can also take this advice for the whole body, so even if you don't work out too much, it will still make your skin look tighter and you're gonna look more fit. And the heat will have just opposite effect. It will open up your pores, and this is actually a good idea to put warm or almost hot towel on your face before you're gonna scrub your face, because it will open up your pores and it will make easier to remove all the dirt, residue and all the nasty things that are clogging your pores. And after that you can use cold water to close down the pores, so you're gonna have this nice, smooth, young looking skin. You can also take an ice cube and massage your face. It will stimulate the blood flow and it will help to tighten your skin. What I like to do is to use Foreo UFO device. It vibrates, it has light therapy, and it has this plate that can get warm or cold, and I've just massaged my face with it. You can go to manual settings if you just wanted this cryo massage, or there are dedicated masks to it, so you can scan the barcode on the mask and do the whole treatment on your face. And that's why I love this device. You have few types of treatment at the same time. It doesn't take much time and the results are visible. I've made the review of Foreo UFO device, so if you want to go check this out, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box down below. My second beauty tip is about hair, and this is the tip that I've got a few years ago, and it helped me to get this poodle long, healthy and more or less in control. And it's about drying your hair. And before you're gonna say, oh, it's obvious, listen to this. So I let my hair air dry, because blow drying can damage your hair, can cause breakage and can make your hair frizzy, especially my type of hair. So I let them air dry. But the tip is to blow dry just your scalp, because it takes hours to air dry long thick hair, and when your scalp is wet it's open to bacteria and fungus infections, and let's get real, no one wants to have mushrooms on your head. And basically when the skin on your scalp is wet for too long, it doesn't do any good. Think about this when you take a long bath and your skin on your fingers get all wrinkly and soft. The same happens on your scalp, and it can cause your hair to fall out because it's a little bit loosened, and we don't want that. You want to keep all your hair in place without mushrooms. And if you want me to film the video about how to get long healthy hair, just let me know in the comment down below and I will do it for you. And my third tip is vitamin C. Hear me out. For me, this is like a miracle ingredient, and because it's so common, it's overlooked, but it's actually great for your skin and for your whole body. You should have a lot of vitamin C in your diet and in your skincare routine. So I'm just gonna name a few benefits of vitamin C. First of all, it's very powerful antioxidant. It helps fight free radicals. And what those little bastards like to do, they like to damage your collagen. So in the effect, you're gonna get wrinkles, your face is gonna get saggy. So in the way, vitamin C is helping to protect your collagen, and it helps to stimulate production of the new collagen. Also, it's good for your body. It can prevent some more serious disease. And what else vitamin C can do for you? Well, it will brighten up your skin, it will help you with the pigmentation, it will help you to fight sun damage, it will boost your immune system so you wouldn't get sick so often, and it will also help your body to absorb iron. So if you are anemic, you should take not only iron but vitamin C as well. And when I was in high school, I used to eat lemons like you would eat oranges. I literally peel off the whole lemon and I just ate like that. It was delicious. And I believe because I'm eating so many vegetables and fruits containing a lot of vitamin C, my skin looks so much better and I don't look my age. And now you're probably wondering how old I am. Well, it's a secret. But you can place your bets in the comments down below. So you should incorporate vitamin C rich products to your diet, like lemons, oranges, basically all the citrus fruits, cabbage, kiwis, and they will work from the inside. And on the outside, I would definitely recommend to use the products with vitamin C. I'm using Inkey vitamin C cream. It's really good and affordable. And again, I made a video about this, link's gonna be down there, you know the drill. And now let's go for the fourth beauty tip, and this is more like a well-being tip, and it's how to do a home spa when you don't have a huge bathroom and you don't have a tub. And it's very simple. Just use essential oils in your shower. Just put few drops on the shower floor, run the hot water, close the curtain, make it steamy. And then when you're gonna walk in, you're gonna have this sauna spa inhalation, and depending on your need you can use different essential oils. So if you need more energy, you can use essential oil from lemongrass, orange, eucalyptus. And just opposite, if you need to calm down before going to bed, you can use essential oils from lavender or frankincense. And you can also do this for different health issues. And for example, when my sinuses are acting out, I'm doing this steam treatment with tea tree extract. It's really helping with my condition, and I feel like I'm at the spa, so it's like win-win. And now let's go to the final fifth beauty tip, and it's to use Derma Roller. And basically what it does, it makes microscopical holes in your skin. I know it sounds scary, but it's actually very good for you, and it works on few different levels. So first of all, when you roll your face with it, you stimulate blood flow, and that way you get more nutrition ingredients to your skin, and at the same time it will help to remove all the unwanted particles that are in your skin. Second of all, when you have those microscopical holes in your face, whatever products you're gonna apply next, either serum, cream, face mask, whatever you want to use, it's gonna go deeper into your skin and it's gonna work better. And the third benefit is, when your skin is gonna heal, it's gonna heal stronger, tighter, and basically she's gonna be ready to face the world. She's gonna fight those free radicals, time, whatever you're gonna throw at her. So I know putting needles into your skin sounds a little bit frightening, but trust me, it's gonna be very beneficial for you. And again, I've made a separate video about this. Link's gonna be over there. And I think that it has. Those were my 5 best beauty tips. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click the subscribe button, give me thumbs up, show me some love, show me some support, and see you on the next one. Bye!